This is your cold, and your cold goes to your normal cold for your hot water. This is the hot. As you can see, you put a mixing valve for the hot that's going from the water heater. There's a drip around there. You have your mixing valve, temperature gauge, so you can know how hot your hot water is being supplied. And again, you have the supply for your header, which is a 1-inch connection, which comes from the back. So that one at the back comes up, over, bam. That's the supply for your header. Connect your 3 zones on your easy header. Bam. Comes here, comes here, comes here. Expansion tank, you intercept the cold to a 1/2-inch line. And through your auto feed valve into your air scoop, and to the back you have your expansion tank. Right. You have your around there with the damper. For the return, it's this one at the front, and it goes over, bam, into your return. Return bleeders on your easy headers. 3 zones being returned, 3 zones being fed. Indirect. So again, cold goes in. You have your expansion tank on your cold, and it's there. Hot is from here. Mixing valve. This is your supply for your hot. Then feed for your space heating is the one at the back. Comes over, bam, into the easy header. Return is the one at the front. And it goes bam into the easy header. You have the wiring, take a relay connected to the side. BX going to your circulator pubs. Thermostat wire going to your thermostat, which is from here. Well, the switch comes down, comes over, bam. That goes around the back. Comes around here. Comes in here. It's the power.